In this video, we're going to talk about OxyPowerPack plugin. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing tutorials about WordPress, Oxygen and other themes and plugins. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So, as I've said, this is a video about OxyPowerPack. This is a new plugin and we're going to start with the price. At this moment, it's only $49 if you buy it, and it's a lifetime deal, so you pay it once and you have lifetime updates and support, and you can use it on unlimited sites. You can use it on your clients, and you can create some stuff that Oxygen has not already created and built the features. Okay, and as you can see, it has also a subscription. You pay $9 every month. And if you just buy the subscription for every month and you see that it's good, then you can go ahead before the subscription ends and upgrade to the lifetime deal, paying only $40. He will remove the $9 that you already paid in the last month. Okay, if you pay for 2 months, he will not add those. You will only have the minus $9. So let's go and see the news here, and going to the last post, the first post that it was published. As you can see, it's the 5th of October. So this plugin is 3.5 months old. It's a very new plugin. It has some work to do, but the developer, let's see the name, I'm always forgetting the name. I'm also forgetting English. So it's Emmanuel Laborin. I hope it's Laborin, I don't know. And he's one guy that he's producing this plugin, and I think it's something that you should invest your money. It's only $50, and you support him so he can create other stuff, and you also support Oxygen, because if he succeeds and he grows, then other developers hopefully will also create plugins for Oxygen, and Oxygen will become better. And this is something that we want, we as Oxygen users. So you should consider buying this plugin if you're creating content with Oxygen. And if you read the blog, I have already read his post, and I really like that he's saying to all the customers that he's one guy, he's constantly producing stuff. He knows that it's very early for the plugin. He knows every glitch that there is there, and he's trying to make it better. I also like that in the latest post he said that he will delay the support because it's holidays and you will get support, but maybe it will be in 48 hours and not 12 hours or something. I like it very much. Other plugins just say it in the FAQ and it will not create a post only to tell you happy holidays and we're not going to support you so fast. So I like stuff like that. It's an honest thing to do, and congrats to him. So let's go and see what we can do with it. Let's see the features in the website, and then we're going to use the plugin to create something for our own. Let's see the components, and here we will see that he has a countdown timer. He has a before and after image. Maybe you have seen this with the Elementor plugin and not Elementor itself, but if you add an extra plugin for Elementor, you can do something like that. He has testimonial box. This I think it's wrong. It's not testimonial box. This is tickets. So does it says tickets? No, he doesn't, but I think this is tickets, or it's a testimonial box that it's looks like tickets. And of course we will have more components soon, and he will fix every glitch that he has in a later on version. Then we have the maintenance mode, because you can create something with the Oxygen. You can use the Oxygen team has already created something, and you can use, I'm forgetting everything today, sorry about that. Let's go in section. Okay, so the conditional settings, and you can create a page, and if someone is not logged in, then you can show him a landing page and say him coming soon. But this is not an ideal case for everything, and we will say later on why. And of course, every week he's designing a new design set. Now, this is not true at the moment. He's not delivering one every week, but I'm sure he will. So no worries about that. Okay, he's putting his effort just to make the plugin better, and other stuff will come too. And we have the parallax effect. Let's go and see that. And you will see that the stuff in the page are not scrolling down with the same speed. So this is the parallax effect. So let's go and see the plugins. I have already installed it. It's 1.0.6.2 at this moment. And here we have a new page. I have added a section as you saw before. And if we go here, we will see that in the library, in the design sets, you cannot see anything here. Okay, library, and this is the OxyPowerPack icon, which you can move to the other corner, so you will not, you can work and it will not get in the way. And I cannot find the design set because I haven't licensed the product. Okay, if you buy this, you have to first add the license, hit activate, and then you can see the design set that he has created. So let's go to the plugins, let's go to Oxygen, and then let's go to, sorry, not Oxygen, let's go to OxyPowerPack and click here, and then we will find here a license. So I'm going to paste the license. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's go and paste the license and hit save license. At this point, when you hit the save license, the license can be viewed. Okay, it's not encrypted. You can see it right away. And this is something that it will be fixed in a later version. He will add some asterisks or something, so if you hand over to a client, he cannot see which license you have and he cannot use it by himself. So let's go and go back to our page, but before that, let's go to Oxygen and then Settings. Okay, and here we have to go and let's go to Library. We have to go here and enable the third-party design sets. Let's go and do that. Update. And then we can go back to our page and we can go, let's go and save that first and then refresh. And now we're going to see the design set that he has created. Okay, waiting. And here we have a failure for some reason. I don't know why, but let's close that. And let's go to the section, add, and let's go to library, design sets. And here, as you can see, we have now the OxyPowerPack designs. We can click here. And then we're going to see what he has created already for us. So let's go and add this. Okay, and as you can see, everything is working fine. So this is how the error while loading attachment sizing. I think I have to save and refresh. So we're going to see one by one everything that we have in here. And let's start by going to another section. And then let's go and add here. We're going down in the basics and we're going to see the before after image first. As you can see here, we have the asterisks inside because this is made with the API of Oxygen. Okay, let's go and hit that before and after image. And if you click there, you will have the before image, before label. This is what it looks here, before gym. The after image, which is here, and the after gym. So you can go ahead and select another image. Let's go for this one. No, let's go for a car, and this should be the after, so let's go for this one. This is the old one, and let's go and browse this and bring this for the new one. Okay, and this is an old car or something, and this is the new car. Okay, let's apply these parameters and let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have the old car, the new car, and here we can, sorry, and let's save that and view it in the front end. Okay, and here we have the slider and we can see what's what. Okay, if we go and see what other things we can use, you can select a background for this feature, the size and spacing, and everything else that you are having in Oxygen. Of course, we have the custom HTML attributes that we're going to see later on. And let's go to the next one. I'm going to delete those because I don't want to scroll down every time. And let's go to the next one. Let's go and add the countdown timer. Okay, this is pretty simple. You can go ahead and select which is the date and the time that you want and the countdown to end. So if I'm going for the 31st of January, let's go for December 31st and let's go for 12 o'clock 00. Okay, let's go this. So this is the new year, and I'm going to apply the parameters, so it will be reset and it will say 3 days until the new year. And I don't know how I'm saying this incorrectly. So this is the target date. It's only saying this because I want to recheck it, so it's good to have it here. And this is the timeout message. If we run out, it will be saying timeout. And let's go to segments, and we will find how we can customize this one. Okay, let's go and say the in effect is the so how it will be the in effect in seconds. Let's go for the slide down and you will see what I mean. Apply parameters. So if you see here, it will slide up when it's counting, and then it will just fade out. So this is the out effect. This is hide, and I can also go slide up or something else, or hide. Let's go for slide up and apply, and now you will see that it will slide up and then slide down again. So the days always shown if needed or never, so it has here 3 days, but if it's turned to 0, then this will be not displayed. Then we have the hours, the label for the days, label for the hours, minutes and seconds. This is great because I can also translate it to another language or put it in small letters or put something else, not seconds, or put something like sec for seconds. And this is the padding. Then we have the typography for the letters inside here. And some parameters like that will apply at the spot, and other you will have to say click apply parameters. If you're doing something and you will see no changing, just hit apply parameters. Let's go for 30 pixels here. You will see that it's changed immediately. And this is for the countdown timer. Now we can go back to our segments and go for the label typography, which is this, and go for another color like blue and change the letters and all that stuff. So as you can see, you can do many things about that. And of course you have every other feature that Oxygen will give you. In the advanced you have the background, size and spacing and everything else. And of course we can put it in the middle and put something else like a background. I'm not going to do that, but you can do that, of course. And let's see here. Now, of course, we're not having any HTML tags inside here, but we can add it custom. As you can see, custom HTML attributes, and you can add whatever you want. Let's go to the next one. Let's delete that. And let's go to the next one, which is, let's go to countdown timer, event ticker. So this is what I was talking about, event ticker. So yeah, in the homepage, the components, he said that he was mistaken and he put here testimonial box instead of a event ticker. So let's go and see how he has styled that already. Where was I? Okay, here. As you can see, this is the Oxygeners World Tour with the picture, and this is the price, and I think it's looking good. Okay, it even has this kind of effect here that a real ticket would have. And if I'm going here in the content, I can see I can change the title. I can change pretty much everything. World Tour, or I can remove it already, or I can add something here. I can add another image. So this is the image that I want to use. I can use another date. I can put another location, price label. I can change the price, of course, and what it says here in the button. And if we click here in the button, where we're going to go. And of course, the button color. Okay, and then we are going to advanced, and we're going to see that we have everything else inside here. Let's go to the next one. And let's go to testimonial box. And let's delete that. And as you can see, here is the testimonial box. Let's go and view it. Where was it? Here. And this is our how it looks at this moment. Okay, let's go back to the page. And of course, you can select here and change the content. So change the photo. Here, let's go and add another photo, this girl. Okay, and the author name is James Cameron, and title is what it says here, and this is the text. And then we can go to the back to testimonial box, typography, and then we can change about the author, which is this, and we can go for another color, we can go for another size, and we can go for another title. Of course, if you have seen a video of mine doing the testimonials, I think that the size of the title should be bigger than the name, because it's more important. I don't know who is James Cameron, but if he is a Microsoft SEO, this is the most important part. But of course, you can fix that. You can go ahead and add 30 here and add another color and do it like a bold or something. Leave some space and fix that. Okay, and then you can go back to the text, and here you have this one, and let's go for 25, and you can see what you can change. Pretty much everything. Let's go to see what we can do next. Let's go, I think we have finished about here. Yeah, we have finished everything here. Now let's go and add a page. A section. Add a section first. Let's go and add a section. Okay, let's go and remove that. And in this section, I'm going to add an image. And in this image, I'm going to select something like that. Now, if you add an image, you can select the lazy load this image, and this will be lazy loaded, which means that it will not be loaded if it's not in the viewport. If the visitor cannot view it, it will not be loaded. As you scroll down, it will load the pictures that he can view, the visitor can view. So this will increase the speed of the page. In this moment, you cannot select lazy load for everything. You have to go to every specific page, every single page in the website, and select this. But I think he will add this for the whole site or for the whole page or something. And let's go to the next one, which is, let's go for text. Okay, let's go for a heading. And in this heading, I'm going to triple click it. I'm going to add something. Let's go and add this car is amazing. And now I'm going to change the word amazing with something else. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select the span. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the text rotator. As you can see, the span is selected. Let's go to the structure, and you're going to see the span is selected. And I'm going to hit the text rotator. And now I'm going to add here. And I'm going to add here what I want. Instead of amazing, I'm going to put awesome. I'm going to put incredible. And hit enter. I'm going to select again the plus. As you can see, it says sample text, but be sure that Incredible is added. If you select here back, you will see that it's already added. The first time I saw it, it confused me. I said, didn't that I put the word, where is it? So let's go for awesome. I'm not sure how it's spelled. Okay, sure it's not spelled like that. Awesome. Okay, sorry for that. And let's add awesome, and let's add another one, and let's go for blue. It's not blue, but let's go for blue. Okay, let's go to back, and as you can see, we have Incredible, which is not spelled correctly. Let's go and delete that. We have awesome blue, and let's go and edit that. And instead of sample text, let's go and write Incredible correctly at this time. Incredible. Okay, let's go back, and we have the three words here. So let's go and close that, and let's go and save it and see how it looks in the front end. Okay, so you are seeing that it spells amazing, and then awesome, and then blue, and then incredible. At this moment, you cannot change how it will add the letters and how the speed and everything else, but it will be added later on. So what else we can do? We can go and add a parallax effect. So let's go and add another section. So let's close that. And let's go to the section, add another section. How many sections do I have? Okay, let's delete this section. Let's delete, no, I will not delete it. I will put it on top because I need, okay, come on. Okay, it's not going on top for some reason. I think my mouse is mocking me. Okay, so we have it on top. Let's go and add here in background, sorry, section. Let's go and click this section. Okay, I cannot click this section for some reason. I don't know why. Let's go and add here something. Let's go and add a heading text. And let's go back to the section and let's add a background image. So we're going for a background image of something like that. And let's give some space. And let's add here something like contact. Okay, this is not the ideal example for this, what I'm going to do, but you can see what you can do with that. So I'm going to select the content and I'm going to open the Oxygen, the OxyPowerPack, and I'm going here that says parallax speed, which is normal. And of course, the heading is selected. And I'm going to go for a positive value at first. Let's go for a positive value. Let's go for 2. Okay, save that and let's go to the front end, refresh the page. Okay, and as you can see, this is scrolling up while I'm scrolling down. Okay, if I'm going here, the letters are in the middle of her forehead, but if I'm scrolling up, the letters are going to the top of her forehead. Okay, so this is the value that I have selected because it's a positive value. So I'm scrolling down and the letters are going up. If I go for another speed, let's go and open that and put a minus, let's go for a 5 so you can see for sure what's happening. And now let's go and refresh that and we will see that I'm scrolling down and the letters are scrolling down with me, but not with the same speed. And of course, I can go ahead and select another one. Let's go and add another heading. And let's go and put those one next to the other. Okay. Contact me. And this I'm going to select also a negative value, but not 5. Let's go for 4. Let's go and save that and refresh. Okay, and as you can see, they are not scrolling down in the same speed. So this is what you can do with the parallax effect, and of course you can do it for every element that you can add in a section, even if it's an image, an icon, or something else. You can do it for everything. Let's go and see what we can do next. Let's go here And here we have some amazing features. So you can select what you can do when the page load. And if you click here, then when the page load, you can select that fires one time when the whole page has loaded, including all dependent resources and the image, and then you can select which action you want to go. So it will load something, and then you can add what you want to load when something is clicked, when it's hover. So you can do amazing stuff with that. An example is the creator of the OxyPowerPack, which of course if you buy this, go and find him in the YouTube. Let's go for OxyPowerPack. OxyPowerPack. Okay. Okay, this is the developer, and he has he's creating a scroll back to top button with only using these features here, and you can see what you can do with that. I think if you play with that, I haven't searched too much, but I'm going to. You can create some amazing stuff. Now let's go and see the coming soon page, and this is also the exact page with the maintenance mode. So we're going to first create the page. So let's say that this is the coming soon, and let's go and add the coming soon here. Coming soon. And let's go and delete the me. Okay, save that. And let's go to the settings now. Okay, this is the settings. Refresh the page. And as you can see here, you can disable the features that you're not using. So you can disable them, all of them, and just enable one by one when you want to use something. And here we have the maintenance mode. And now I can select the maintenance mode to be activated and to select which page I want to replace or redirect. So I want to replace the page, and the bypass code is this, and I want everyone, so the logged out users will see the test page instead of the real one. Now, if you have not created a page, then you cannot save the settings because it needs, of course, a page here. And if you do that, let's go and save that. And now let's copy that, open it in a private window. And now we're going to see the coming soon page. Okay. And of course, it says here maintenance mode activated because I need to know that it's active. It keeps reminding me that it's active. So if you change something, then you have to go and disable that after that. So I think the best part of this, not the best, but it has two amazing features here. If you create a page like coming soon or maintenance mode for a WordPress website using the Oxygen, I am always forgetting that, the conditional settings, you can only add here always shown or hide everything else, and hide hide in the home page, hide everything else except for a single image, but this is only for those that are not logged in. But if you have a website which has subscribers, which maybe has customers or something like that, then you may need that other members of the website will also see a maintenance mode page or something else. Then you must use something like that if you want to use a plugin in the Oxygen. Of course, there are other free plugins that can do the same, but I think it's better to have it inside Oxygen here. So you can use it and add it also for the editors, the authors, contributors, and subscribers, and they all can view this page. And of course, if they have this link, they can pass this and they can view the page directly. So if you give it to a client and you tell him this is what you are going to use to see the page, and everyone else will see the coming soon page, Sorry, I paused the video because my phone rang. So, if he add this URL, he will see directly the page that you are creating and not the maintenance mode or coming soon page. And he can use the URL directly for 24 hours without the need of putting the access pass every time. So he can put it once and it will create a cookie and it will last for 24 hours, and he can go ahead with just the URL of the page. So I think this is something great. Of course, I have here blur out the license key. And I think this is all that I want to show you at this moment. Hopefully we'll get some amazing features that will come soon, and he will fix some bugs and some glitches. So please go ahead and check this plugin out. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not getting any commission of that. I'm just want to promote him because I think what he's doing is great. And I will put the link in the description below. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for it, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Also, happy holidays. Bye, guys.